removing a liquid-to-air hybrid cooling module. Note: to perform this task, make sure you have the following items: a Phillips No. 1 screwdriver, a Torx T15 screwdriver, an alcohol cleaning pad, phase change material, an SR675 V3 water loop putty pad kit, an SR675 V3 water loop service kit. Remove the top cover. Remove the following components. Refer to the videos in the playlist for each component's replacement procedures. Hold the strap on the SXM5 GPU board assembly power cable and disconnect it from the SXM5 GPU board assembly and the SXM5 GPU power distribution board. Hold the radiator by its upper edge and the cold plate assembly by its lifting handle, and then lift the GPU L2A assembly out of the chassis. Use a manual Torx screwdriver to unfasten the 6 Phillips No. 1 screws to remove the radiator from the GPU tray. Set the manual Torx screwdriver to 0.45 Nm, 4 pound-inches, and unfasten the 6 screws to remove the radiator. Use a manual Torx screwdriver to unfasten the 16 Torx T15 screws to remove the cold plate. Set the manual Torx screwdriver to 0.45 Nm, 4 pound-inches, and unfasten the 4 screws on the cold plate one by one. To prevent cold plate tilting, make sure to follow the screw installation sequence specified on the cold plate label. To prevent potential thermal issues, make sure to complete the following steps. Follow the screw removal sequence, screw 1, 2, 3, 4, to unfasten each of the 4 screws on cold plate 4 by 360 degrees. Repeat to ensure all the screws are fully unfastened. Follow the screw removal sequence, screw 1, 2, 3, 4, to unfasten each of the 4 screws on cold plate 3 by 360 degrees. Repeat to ensure all the screws are fully unfastened. Follow the screw removal sequence, screw 1, 2, 3, 4, to unfasten each of the 4 screws on cold plate 2 by 360 degrees. Repeat to ensure all the screws are fully unfastened. Follow the screw removal sequence, screw 1, 2, 3, 4, to unfasten each of the 4 screws on cold plate 1 by 360 degrees. Repeat to ensure all the screws are fully unfastened. Insert the dim tool into the gap between the cold plate and GPU beneath the round hole on the cold plate. Gently press the dim tool down to disengage the cold plates from the GPU. Repeat the previous 2 steps to disengage the remaining 3 cold plates from the GPUs. To avoid damaging the GPU, ensure the dim tool is not inserted beyond the round hole. Hold the upper edge of the radiator and the cold plate assembly lifting handle, and then lift the L2A from the SXM5 GPU board assembly. Place the top cover of the shipping box onto the L2A and make sure it is seated firmly in place. Hold the shipping box and carefully turn it upside down. Remove the top cover and ensure the cold plate assembly lifting handle is facing down. Use alcohol cleaning pads to wipe any remaining thermal interface materials from the top of the SXM5 GPUs or the bottom of the cold plates. These materials might include phase change materials, putty pads,